trying to think of a name right now. Hello, Jamaa-Jers. No. In today's video, I'm going to try and attempt to be an Animal Jam VSCO girl. So, you know what a VSCO girl is. If you don't, here you go. Let me just, like this, you know that. So take a minute and read that. Right now, I think that's what it is. Like I've got a pretty good vocabulary on a VSCO girl. So we're gonna turn myself into one today. So we're gonna be, you know, apparently a basic white girl right now. That's kind of, what's the word? Stereotypical. So I'm going to find a oversized, oh my gosh, concern out right now. You know what? There we go. So I'm just gonna keep me like this for now to, you know, keep me kid friendly. We just want to be a VSCO girl right now. So what do VSCO girls wear? Let me go back to picture. Okay, we're just gonna, you know, get the typical braid, side braid. Where is it? Oh, do these look like Vans? Those or these? These look more like Vans. We're gonna do a gray Vans. I mean, Vans. Is there like a camera thing? Because I know VSCO girls love their Fugees. But I don't think there is. We're just gonna, you know, throw on some jean shorts because they love those. Oh wait, what happened to, right, never mind about the shorts. We are going to find an oversized t-shirt, hopefully. And I could not find anywhere. That does, no. Or maybe white. Nah. No, right there. Should we do this? That's oversized. We're gonna do white. Okay, so let's get back our Vans and maybe something for our tail. Does I have anything? No, I don't think VSCO girls have tails, so we're gonna leave it at that. And just because Animal Jam don't have Birkenstocks or Crocs, we are going to just use sneakers. They like their backpack, so I'm gonna see if I have a backpack. If I don't, that's kind of sad. Which I've got a book, but that's not a backpack. Okay. Next. Okay. Animal Jam don't have water bottles, so we're gonna, should I like decorate my den classy like a VSCO girl? You know what? No, I know what I'm gonna do. Let's go to Jamaa. We're going to Jamaa, and we're gonna just say and I, whoop, all the time. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Wait. VSCO girl for life. This is so annoying. Oh, someone else said, and I, oops. Okay, basically, my phone turned off because for some reason, yeah, my phone likes to turn off on me. But when I started doing like this thing, and I saying I have my oversized sweatshirt and sneakers. I'm not a VSCO girl. In real life, I'm not. But on Animal Jam right now? I am. So I just typed in this, and I dropped my hydro flask. And we're gonna see what people say. Oh, dang it. Okay, and I dropped my hydro flask. Oh no, I dropped my hydro flask. I'm not good at pronouncing this, but I'm just gonna type